Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you, best credit cards that can approve you with bad credit. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if your credit score is sitting below the 600 here, it can feel like you're completely locked out of the financial system here. Now, let's map out a clear strategy to get you approved, completely flipping the script here to explore the safest credit building options first before working our way to the major subprime giants here. So, first is the secured card safety net. Now, if you need a total financial reset here, starting with a secured card is easily your smartest move. Now, you put down a refundable deposit, usually around $200, as collateral, which becomes your spending limit. Now, in this case, the Discover It secured cards or somewhere similar is the gold standard here because it gives you 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants while automatically reviewing your account to upgrade you to an unsecured line in 7 to 8 months. Now, Capital One secured MasterCard is also great if you are short on cash, occasionally letting you open a $200 limit with an upfront deposit as low as like $49. Now, also, you may want to know about the retail store golden tickets. Now, while finance experts mock store cards for sky high interest rates here, they are a fantastic secret weapon if your score is trapped in the low 500s. Now, retailers like Amazon, issued by Synchrony here, Best Buy, and Macy's have incredible lenient approval lines. Now, if you buy one small item a month and pay the statement off in full, you completely bypass the terrible interest charges while cleanly reporting a positive payment history to all three major bureaus. Now, also, you may want to know about the specialized mid-tier rebuilders. Now, if you want a traditional unsecured card but major banks keep turning you down, well, Mission Lane and Merrick Bank here are your best or your next best stop. So, Mission Lane builds the automatic credit limit increases if you maintain a clean on-time payment streak. Now, Merrick Bank is famous for its double your line perk. So if you pay on time for your first 7 months, they will automatically double your starting credit. So in this case, dropping a $500 limit to $1,000, which heavily drops your overall credit utilization. Now, also, we want to know about the subprime heavyweights. Now, if your score is hovering right over the 600 benchmark, your very first target should be Capital One or even Discover. Now, in this case, even though Discover officially merged into like Capital One back in like, if I'm saying May of 2025, they still run completely separate application portals. So Capital One is the country's largest subprime lender, and their no annual fee Capital One Platinum card is a flawless starting tool here that allows you to cleanly upgrade to their premium reward cards once your score bounces back. And also, you may want to learn about the last resort backups here. So, cards like Avant, Mercury, or Credit One should only be used if you have been rejected everywhere else. Now, these bottom tier options are frequently plagued with tiny $300 starting limits and aggressive monthly maintenance fees that, in this case, immediately eat into your available credit. Now, if you absolutely have to use them, treat them strictly as a stepping stone. So, make one tiny purchase a month, pay it off instantly, and never carry a balance. Now, also just a quick neat trick here. So every single bank on this list features a free pre-qualification tool on their website. So always use this for forms first to check your approval or your approval odds here via soft credit pull, so you don't damage your score with unnecessary hard inquiries. But that's about it. So for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.